Scientific notation. What is it? When was it first discovered? Well, what it is a way of writing numbers that are either really large or very small so that they're easy to read and you can tell the relative magnitudes of different numbers. It was discovered by Archimedes back in the 3rd century BC. Why? This is a weird one. He was trying to figure out in his mind, he's trying to determine how many sand grains it would take to fill up the entire universe. Got to believe it's a pretty big number. Now, for example, let's pick something in the universe, like the weight of the sun. This is the weight of the sun. What is that number? What is the relative size of it? Real hard to see. But if we write it in scientific notation, it's a little bit more palatable. It is 1.80 times 10 to the 27th. See, all scientific notation is written in this way. An integer from 0 to 9, 0.2 decimal places worth of integers, times 10 to an exponent, which accounts for the number of zeros that either exist left or right of the decimal point. See, people slip between the illions, millions, billions, trillions, the illions, without ever stopping to recognize the magnitude of the numbers, how they compare to each other. This is what I mean. Here we see a chart, 1 billion. When I take a look at that number just by itself, I can't understand it, but I can explain it to myself. It is a 1 with 9 zeros that follow. And that's the scientific notation you see on the right. 1 trillion is a 1 with 12 zeros. 1 quadrillion, a 1 with 15 zeros. 1 quintillion is a 1 with 18 zeros. 1 sextillion is a 1 with 21 zeros. 1 septillion is a 1 with 24 zeros to follow. And the largest number that has a name? That's right, a Google, a 1 with 100 zeros to follow. Scientific notation, awful useful for us.